Hello guys, I do see you guys are having a couple of issues with blendTapper. One of the issues is that when you create those shapes and you drag them up in blendTapper, in the shape editor, you see not only the eyebrow moves, the finger also moves, or somewhere on the body, which is, not cool. So a solution for that will be, let me delete those two. Yeah, those two are broken up by the blendTapper. So let me delete those two. Go back to our original eyebrow up. That one is okay because we did that right here. Now, instead of dragging it up and duplicate it, okay, let's right click on the eyebrow up and then rebuild target. That will create a new model here. Okay, this one. And this one will be a perfect eyebrow up. We can compare the finger here. I think there will be a difference. See, this finger is bumping out here. This finger is more straight, right? That's the difference. But the eyebrow are the same, so they're all going up. Okay, just use rebuild target to get the shape out instead of duplicating. That can fix one of the problem, which is you have other parts on the body moving. Another problem you guys are having is that we have this base shape, right? And then you use blendTapper here. Oops, I need to reload the code. Okay, blendTapper, and you use this one as the base shape, but because you duplicate it from the body, again, you may have that issue on the finger too. See that bumpness here? So that's not cool either. So let me delete that. Instead of duplicating from the body for the base geometry, okay, let's also create a new target here and right click on it and then rebuild target. So we just create a new target that we haven't done anything on it. That means this new target is the original shape. Now if I drag this one out, I can use this one as the base shape. Okay. So call this one body geo base. I don't need that anymore, so delete it. Now this one is guaranteed to be the original shape because we're using the rebuild target. So both the body geometry base and then the blend shape we need are all built from rebuild target in the shape editor. That's guaranteed to be the original shape. Now let's select this one as the body base. Okay, and let's try to break that one up. Okay, let's delete that. And that. Oops, I think I deleted my eyebrow up target, so let's rebuild it. Okay, so this one is rebuilt. It's guaranteed to be the eyebrow up only. Okay, let's break this one up. Okay, rebuild shape. Now sometimes when you reach it 100% and there is a warning here, which is kind of stupid, and then it does one for you, another one will be at where the base shape is, which is another problem you guys are having. To solve this problem, let me delete that and this one. Okay, to fix this problem, you have to select the body geometry base we created by rebuild target. We need to go to the node editor here, and then see that the shape node of this object is named this, but the actual translation is named this. Let's copy the name of the translation and paste it here. Okay, and delete the one. Just call it body geometry base, which is the translation name, the translation node name, and then we put a shape after that, and that should be the shape node name of the base geo base. Okay, make sure that their naming are exactly this. So the translation node is this, and the shape node will be this. Add a shape after that. Okay, if yours is like that, it should be okay. Let's break it again. you see everything is fine, right? So the reason for that, if you want to ask why changing the name could fix this problem, is because in Maya every object will be represented by a string, which is kind of stupid. So I have some code I've been doing recently. Now you see that this is the on high selection channel node. So select hierarchy and then string, a array of strings will be the things you selected. So everything in Maya, every object is not represented by any kind of pointer or something. It's actually represented by their name. And in this case, I think in blendTapper what it does is they use this string and then added a shape after it as the name of the shape they're trying to use to do the blendTapper, but you know the shape name is not like that before. That's why it got some error there. I think that's the reason. So that's why we need to change the body shape, change its name, change its the shape of the body geometry base name to the body geometry base shape. Okay, that's why. So I hope this can solve all your problems using blendTapper, and that's it.